everybody, my name's Min Huai. Well, welcome to my channel again. Learning English with Story. Okay, well today we're going to be talking about a topic called the word. The word are whole big words, right? Well, this is just a map that's been drawn again, right? But the word is a little bit different. Its colors are a little bit different. And when you're looking at the real map, you can see it's a little bit different here. There you go. This is our map here. You can see this is different. And if you look at the real map, let me find one for you. Like this one. No. Like this one, right? You will see that there's oceans and the lines are not colorful. They doesn't have the colors. That looks like red and pink and yellow, but they will look like this. Okay, well, let's look and see what is our words. Well, our words will have 5 different oceans and 7 continents. Okay, let's see if we can list them in just one try, right? Let's see. First, North America, then South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, and Australia. There's 7 countries. No, 7 continents, not countries here. There's hundreds of countries in the world. Well, there's also 5 different oceans. There are the Pacific Oceans. Well, you see, here it's 2 oceans, the Pacific Ocean and also the Pacific Oceans. What does this mean? Well, you're just looking at the map, and the map is flat. If you look at a real map, right? I don't know how to say that, but kind of like a globe, you would see that those parts, right? There are the lands, right? Okay? The lands here. And this is the whole Pacific Oceans. The Pacific Oceans, and these are the 2 parts of the Pacific Oceans. When it's being shown on the globe, you'll see either. This is very nice and also pretty fun to look at. The map is flat and shows all the way. The globe is nice and big. We can know what part is that. Well, the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. Yes, that's right. Next is the Indian Oceans. And there's a country that's called India. And its surfaces are around the Indian Oceans. Well, people say it's Indian Ocean. Okay, next is Atlantic Oceans. This is where there are people that in Christopher Columbus group travels through. They'll need to travel through this Atlantic Oceans to be in North America. The last one here I have is Arctic Oceans. It's in the top part, right? And also, this one is pretty cold. Sorry, there's something happens. I don't know. Okay, well that's all words. Let's come and see clearer. First is Asia. Asia is pretty big, right? And in this Asia map, you can see here's the whole big part. Well, there's many countries inside this Asia part, including Vietnam, right? There's Vietnam here, and this part here is Japan. This part here, I don't remember what's this island, but you know what? Japan is a country that's an island. Yes, that's an island, a line, an island that is so big that people make it into a country, and we call it Japan. Right? What flags will look like? This one, the shapes. There. And then it have a red circle inside, right? They have a red circle like this. inside of it. And the red circle here is standing for what? You know? Yes, that's right. It's standing for the sun because this is where you can see the sun, and it's the first place in the world that the sun has seen that sun. So the sun first rises in those places, right? Well, people, they will make the flag in turns like this. Okay, next is Europe. Europe is right next to Asia. It has been connected with Asia, you see, right? Next is Africa. This is where it contains India, right? And also many other countries. I don't remember it all. Okay, next is North America. Well, North America, and this big part here. Let me show it with a red one, so that it'll be easier for you to look at. There we go. Now, North America, this whole big part here, not including those small islands, right? Just like that. There are no islands in this. Now, first up here. No, I don't remember. Canada, and under here's Mexico. I don't remember. Maybe here's Mexico and here's Canada, or maybe here's Mexico and here's Canada. I don't remember it. And the middle part here is or United States. Wow, that's very nice. Those are small islands, the smaller lands are other countries. Okay, next is South America. This is America, but it isn't. But, well, it is South America. Okay, but then we'll discover about the eight continents. No, we're missing one. It's Antarctica. This is a very cold place. And all of the lands here are very cold. They're all ice. And no one has lived there. Okay? Well, that's Antarctica. Okay? Well, that's Antarctica. Well, we're going to be looking at some other parts. First is the tropic center. Well, this is where you'll see this. The stars here are usually a part of sensors and the other stars. And here's Scorpion. Here, another kind of star. That is a symbol for a person that stays in different months. Well, if I'm born in the 18th of January and from I don't remember, from December to 19th of January is there's Capricorn. Well, I'm a Capricorn, right? This is right. Okay? Well, the last one is equator. Well, the equator is showing. If the part that is nearer to equator, that will be colder. If it's far, if it's near, then it will be hotter. And if it's far, it will be colder. Sorry for mixing like that. If you want to look at a map, you need to know north, east, south, west. You don't need to know northeast, northwest, or southeast or southwest. You don't need to know all of that things that very bad. And you don't need it. You just need the four main parts, right? North, south, east, west. Well, north is up on here. South is there, right? Under there. Now, if you're in this kind of shape, right? Just think your your right hand is east, and your left hand is west. Right? I can't say it now because maybe you're standing in the opposite side of me. If you're standing, then I should show like this. I should show that I'm there and And here is west, right? And here's east. Yes. Well, here is your left. Here's your right hand. Here's your right hand. Well, just look at your hands and see, right? I'm standing here. I have a different directions from you. And I'm standing here. I have a different directions from you. Okay? Well, now I want to do a problem. Now, we're going to take South America Africa to be our central. Now, what continents are in the south of Africa? South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Now, what continent is in the east of Africa? Australia, Asia. What continents is in the west of Africa? North America, South America. What continents are in the north? Yes, Asia, Europe, North America. Very nice. Now let's look at the oceans. Now we're going to be taking the Atlantic Oceans to be our main part. I'm sorry, I'm not too good at painting. Okay, well, what ocean is in south of the Atlantic Oceans? Pacific Oceans, this is right. What oceans is at the east of the Atlantic Oceans? Indian Ocean and Pacific Oceans. Okay, well, I want you to go home. If you have any maps in your home, or maybe just sharing one on the internet, right? Trying to remember those directions. And after a long time, you will be master in those reading maps, right? Well, reading map is a very important skill, and I have daily questions for you. If you have a choice, what continent would you choose to live in? And what kind of oceans do you like best?